Channel. Today we are going to do a ice cube experiment. So here's the salt and a saucer, ice and
ice cubes,
woolen thread. So guys, let's go into the video.
Guys, we're taking the ice. We'll take one ice and place it on this saucer. Next we place this thread like this on the ice. Place, and now we put some salt on the thread. Keep this for a little while. At least for a minute. Now we will carry this to see if this works. Yes, it is working. So this is the experiment with ice cube. So the ice cube is hanging on the rope only just by simply placing salt on the ice cube. This is because the salt lowers the freezing point of water below 0 degrees Celsius, and then the salt lowers the melting point of the ice, thus creating the thread to refreeze on the ice cube. So hence we are able to carry the ice cube with the thread. So this is the experiment. Hope all enjoyed watching this video. Please do try and share your comments below in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this.